For our second cool reusing plastic project, we're gonna make a flower pot out of a milk jug. For this project, we need a half-gallon milk jug. If you don't have one, you can also use a 2-liter soda bottle. We're also gonna need a measuring tape, a Sharpie marker or maybe some paint, a knife, and for this step, we're gonna ask mom or dad for help, a small plant from your garden, I'm using a succulent, and some potting soil. Step number 1, grab your milk jug, and with the tape measure from the bottom, not from the top, we're gonna make a 4-inch mark on the bottom. So measure 4 inches from the bottom and make a little line. Doesn't have to be perfect, just a little line at the 4-inch mark. And you're gonna do that on all 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, you're gonna take your milk jug, which you marked, and for this step, we need mom or dad. We're gonna ask them to cut along that 4-inch mark with a knife. I already cut one myself, and it should look like this. 4 inches from the bottom, and you cut it with a knife. It's okay if it comes a little bit uneven, doesn't have to be perfect, and it's okay if you use a milk jug or a 2-liter soda bottle, so it will be round if you're using a soda bottle. The next step is to decorate your flower pot. On mine, I did a little flower, like so, and I did just a black Sharpie marker. If you have multiple colors, you can decorate in multiple colors, and if you prefer to use paint, ask mom or dad to help, and you can paint all around it. Don't worry if you have a label on it, you can try to remove it, or you can keep it on the plastic jug. That's okay. Now that we have our plastic jug ready, now it's time to fill it with soil and put a plant in it. But we need to do this in 2 steps. Step number 1, fill the jug about halfway with soil. So there I put about half full of potting soil. Then take your plant, put it in, and then fill the rest of it with the rest of the soil almost all the way to the top. You don't have to do it all the way to the edge, but all the way around your plant so that your milk jug is full of soil around the plant. In the end, it should look like this. So it's almost to the top, but not all the way to the top. The plant is visible. And then put it somewhere in your garden, and it will look pretty cute. If you do 2 or 3 of these, you can make a little garden in your backyard with 2 or 3 different plants. Thank you for watching part 3 of our Earth Day series. Now we're going to send it over to Mrs. Kempinski, who has a nice surprise in store for us. Please continue watching on video number 4.